Well, hey guys, it's the next day, next afternoon, I'd say. Um, Back section of the floor laid in, but I'm gonna have to rip up the side of 2 sheets because when I done this, the floor I done with 8-foot stuff, the rest of it I done with common stud. We kind of throwed things out a little. It probably would have been ideal to lay the floor and then screw the walls down, but we couldn't do that due to weather. But so far everything's screwing down. I think it was out at same, it ain't even it's about 1/4 of an inch in that corner, and it's due to, I don't know if you can see from here, sun's in my face so you probably can't, but that very far stud on that wall kind of had a bow to it and a crook. Just throw stuff out. It was just where it laid around here for a few weeks before I used it, but whatever, it is what it is. I ain't building a condominium, but I do want it to look kind of nice. That's what we're doing. The deal is, adding the walls the way I did, it put 2-inch overhang on each side and made it to where, like, these joists are common instead of 8 foot, which is 92 inches versus 96. And I ain't no carpenter by no means. Everything I've done self-taught, but that is where we're at. Gotta get 2 sheets, about 2 inches ripped off of them, and well, the width of a 2x4 ripped off of them and laid down, screwed in. I'll update as I get more. Worked out all right. This is just a sub floor. I don't know what I'm gonna use for a final floor, but it's a little wavy. It's 7/16. What I mean by wavy, if I'm pretty heavy, a normal person it might not be that bad, but I need to step on the I need to step every 2 foot basically. If you was just using this for your one and only floor, it'd probably need to be put on 18-inch centers, I guess. But I'm undecided on what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do nothing real costly, but gotta figure something out. Probably just go get some more 7/16 OSB and then run it, I guess diagonally versus what it is now. Just knock 4 inches off of each end of it and lay it right in. That's what it took, the width of a 2x4. It was a little off down here. It wouldn't fit, and I come back and cut without a line or anything, which I shouldn't have done. Got a little wave there, but the next layer of floor and then the walls, of course, will patch that little spot in. But again, I ain't trying to build a condominium, but again, I want it pretty nice too. Anyway, I'll show you more as I get it. Alrighty guys, it doesn't look like it on this phone, but I'm running out of daylight. I've got all the rafters up. I thought about doing like this center one is and making trusses, but I've just kind of decided against it. I probably will tie that one in and make sure it's all braced up good, but once I screwed those in, they are cut on an angle on the end. I did put the 2x4 out across the bottom just as aided support, and where I could get, a couple of extra screws in, never hurts anything. My shop over there's done the same exact way. It's had some pretty decent snows on it and they never went anywhere, but I've got one run of strip down it, but I'm running out of daylight, so I'm just gonna call it quits this evening on this. I've got a little project in the shop I may or may not do, but we'll just have to see. But anyway, she's coming along nicely. As far as the floor, I think I'm just gonna go get 4 more sheets 7/16 OSB and kind of flip them the other way. Say these are laid vertically, I'll lay the others horizontally and get a shit ton of screws in it, and I think it'll all tie in really well. Probably box it in with OSB 7/16 OSB is usually priced fairly reasonable, but I don't know if I could get a good deal on some sheetrock. We may sheetrock it, who knows. Easier to hang shelves and stuff if it's a wooden wall though. But anyway, we'll wrap this one up. Anyone that watched this and that's watched the other ones, I do appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.